Good morning, first grade. Good morning. This is for Group Champions Group Q Tourney, page 297. And on page 297, look at number one. Number one wants you to mark the bubble under the combination that tells you how many there are together. So, notice, let's look at the combinations first. We have 3 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8 minus 3, and 5 minus 3. When they ask you all together, you can strictly tell that's an addition problem, so you look for those solutions that are adding. So you're going to look for whether this combination is 3 plus 5, or you bubble in 3 plus 2. Next, you have to count the objects. Then you'll be able to identify what you're bubbling in. So notice, we have 1, 2, 3 here. Let's count how many objects from this side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So we have 3 here and 5 here. So we're looking for 3 plus 5. And that's the solution right here. So you're looking at the next problem for number one. Make sure you basically look for the addition problem to tell you what items you're working with. So you will count the items on the left, items on the right, and find out which combination matches those items. Look at number two and want you to count by tens. Very simple, count by tens. So look what we have here. We have 27, 37, 47, 57. So let's start off with this row, 15. So the next one should be 25, 35. So we have 15, 25, 35. What do you think comes next? 45, that is correct. Let's here, we have 52. What comes after 52 but by 10? 62, what's next? 52, 62. Notice it's 82 right here. So what's goes right here? 72. And we're gonna work on one more. For example, we have 31, missing number, 61. What do you think goes here? 41. So 31, 41, you fill a number here, and 61. So for that chart, you're going to work on that. Let's work on one more, for example. Now, as we move on over, we have 63, a missing number, 83, and then a missing number. So let's get started. Still counting my tens. We have 63. What's next? 73. 63, 73, 83, 90, 93. And look, we have 4, two missing numbers, and 34. And I'm going to help us out with this one. It should be 14. And I'm going to stop right there. We have 4, 14, number goes here, and then 34. So, take your time and you fill out the rest of the chart by counting by tens. Okay, first grade, let's look at number 3. We are circling the thermometer that shows the coldest temperature. The coldest temperature. So, notice we have 2 temperatures on the board. We have 2 thermometers. So this one is about around 45. Notice it's not quite at 50, so about 45. And notice this one stops at 30. So the coldest would be the temperature that is the lowest. So since this is the lowest, you will circle that particular thermometer. So when you look at number 3, make sure you compare all 3 of those temperatures and circle the one that is the lowest. Alright, let's look at number 1. Number 1, you're completing this month's calendar. And you're coloring the blank spaces purple. So the first thing we're going to do, this month is still April, so we are working on April. Notice, April started on a Wednesday, so you put that one there. And so you don't get confused, you just put an X on these lines. Alright? So, we're basically, April only has 30 days. So you're basically counting from 1 to 30. Let's do the first 2 rows together. Wednesday is the first. Thursday is the second. Third, fourth. So here we did there. First, second, third, fourth. And fill the next row. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. So look what we have here, okay? So we have the first to the fourth, and the next row is the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. Alright, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 asks us on what day of the week is the 10th of the month. So, we have to first find the number 10. 10 is here. And what day of the week is that? Number 10 lands on 10th day of the week, lands on Friday. So for number 2, we should be writing Friday. Number 3 asks, what is the date of the third Friday? So you have to find the third Friday. Let's go back to Fridays. This is the first Friday, second, and what the number is for this one, that will be the date for the third. That's the third number. That's the third Friday. Next, number 4 asks us, what is today's date? What is today's date? Today's date, wherever today's date is, today is Wednesday. So wherever today's date is, you'll write that date there. And number 5 asks us, what day of the week is today? So, like I said, what day of the week is today? Is today Tuesday? Is today Thursday? Is today Sunday? You'll write the day of the week for number 5.